Trigeminal neuralgia, otherwise known as tic-Tolleret or Fothergill's disease, is defined by IASP as sudden, usually unilateral, brief, stabbing, recurrent episodes of pain in the distribution of one or more branches of the trigeminal nerve. It could be primary or secondary. Primary trigeminal neuralgia is most common of all neuralgias affecting the fifth cranial nerve, with the maxillary branch being more common, followed by mandibular and ophthalmic branches. It is idiopathic in origin, commonly seen in women over 50 years of age. Various hypotheses has been proposed regarding the etiopathogenesis of trigeminal neuralgia. However, the most accepted theory is vascular compression of trigeminal ganglion or the root of trigeminal nerve by atherosclerotic cerebellar arteries, which causes focal demyelination, resulting in hyperexcitability of nerve fibers to even light touch, bringing about brief episodes of intense pain. Trigeminal neuralgia is characterized by recurrent episodes of intense shooting, stabbing, lancinating, unilateral electric shock pain triggered by shaving, showering, eating, speaking, or exposure to cold wind. Pain is precipitated by light touch of trigger zones, which include nasolabial fold, corner of lip, aloe of nose, cheeks, and around the eyes. Refractory periods are time intervals after an attack during which touching trigger zones will not precipitate pain. Diagnosis, as already mentioned earlier, is similar to pain in general, which includes a proper history, physical examination, especially normal cranial nerve examination, LA block test, and MRI brain to rule out secondary trigeminal neuralgia, which results from intracranial tumors, vascular malformations, and multiple sclerosis. Medical management involves the use of anticonvulsant drugs like phenytoin and carbamazepine. The drug of choice being carbamazepine, with an initial dose of 200 mg per day, slowly increased to a maximum of 800 to 1200 mg per day in a divided dose. Side effects of carbamazepine include skin reactions and leukopenia, which has to be monitored through periodic hematological evaluation. Baclofen is also being used especially to reduce the dose of carbamazepine, and a combination of carbamazepine and baclofen is prescribed. Other commonly used drug is gabapentin, 100 mg per day. Newer drugs are clonazepam, lamotrigine, and pimozide. Drug therapy can slowly be withdrawn if patient is pain-free for 3 months. Surgical therapy is mainly through resection of peripheral nerves, especially mental nerve and infraorbital nerve, either through surgery or cryo. Other surgical modalities include microvascular decompression and injection of alcohol in trigeminal ganglion. However, a recurrence rate of 30% has been recorded in trigeminal neuralgia. Though the nature of pain and clinical findings are pathognomic to trigeminal neuralgia, it has to be differentiated from cracked tooth syndrome. Elongated styloid process or calcification of stylohyoid ligament is termed as Eagle syndrome or stylohyoid syndrome, which is characterized by deep, dull pain in oropharynx and posterior auricular region, difficulty in swallowing, and limited range of neck motion. It can be clinically diagnosed by intraoral lateral pharyngeal palpation and increased pain while swallowing, and is confirmed through X-rays, especially orthopantomograph and lateral ceph. Treatment is styloidectomy. Orofacial pain, which is psychological in origin, is mostly grouped as atypical facial pain or atypical odontalgia, which is characterized by constant dull aching pain without any apparent detectable cause by physical examination and lab studies. It is usually seen in women between 4th to 5th decade with no trigger zones. Onset of pain coincides with dental procedure, and a patient gives a history of multiple visits to multiple dentists. Management includes counseling, ENT, neurologist and psychiatrist opinion, and tricyclic antidepressants. Thank you.